The world of superyachts is a realm of opulence and extravagance, where the boundaries of design and technology are constantly pushed to create floating palaces on the high seas. While traditional superyachts already exude luxury, there are visionary concepts that take luxury to a whole new level. From futuristic designs that seem plucked from a sci-fi movie to eco-friendly marvels that prioritize sustainability, the superyacht industry has never been more innovative. Join us as we embark on a journey through the top 11 craziest superyacht concepts in the world, where imagination knows no bounds. Before we continue, kindly remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so. 11. VY01 Superyachts. The entirely carbon-neutral 110 meters VY01 was revealed by German Studio 3 Deluxe and comes complete with a garden-like interior. The concept will be powered by fuel cells driven by hydrogen and recharged by biomethanol alongside silent electric engines, for a range of 3,240 nautical miles. Described by the studio as a floating Garden of Eden, the interiors benefit from sensor-controlled louvers that wrap around the superstructure. The concept is set to be powered by fuel cells driven by hydrogen and recharged by biomethanol, for a range of 3,240 nautical miles. Noise pollution is kept at a minimum thanks to silent electric engines. 10. Glory Superyachts. Steve Kozlov has lifted the lid on an 170 meters superyacht concept that comes complete with foldable masts and its own dedicated aircraft hangar. The masts represent a groundbreaking feat of engineering that would be able to rotate, tilt, heat up to avoid icing and set their own sails. The yacht is a luxury vessel first and foremost, but it has also been designed with scientific research in mind and will boast an ice-classed hull. Her top speed is 15.0 kn, her cruising speed is 14.0 kn, and she boasts a maximum cruising range of 2,500.0 nanometers at 12.0 kn, with power coming from 2 Cummins diesel engines. She can accommodate up to 6 guests, with 3 crew members waiting on their every need. She has a gross tonnage of 156.0 GT and a 6.4 meters beam. 9. Flute Superyachts. Penned by A Squared Naval Design, the 110 meters flute balances a futuristic feel with a classic silhouette that borrows design cues from antique swift sailing vessels from the 17th century. While the design has some traditional elements, the onboard tech is all modern and she features a steel hull, aluminium superstructure and 140 square meters of solar panels. The pool has been carefully integrated to give the appearance of floating on the aft deck, and the wheelhouse also sits as a standalone architectural space that's separate from the owner's deck. Flute is more than twice the size of Cube and comes in with a length of 110 meters and approximately 4,000 GT of interior volume. She's huge. 8. Domus Superyachts. Rob Doyle Design and Van Geest Design collaborated to present Domus, a 40 meters sailing trimaran with an interior volume that rivals a 60 meters motor yacht. The word domus means a single-story house built around an atrium, with many rooms opening up off the central atrium. The yacht borrows aspects of this design to create a lofty, open feeling on board. With the aim to become the first truly zero-emission yacht over 750 GT, Domus will be able to heel at an angle of 2 degrees, also ensuring a comfortable cruise with minimal rolling. Amenities include a cinema room, gym and saloon with a bar, and also hosts a spa area with a swimming pool. 6. Nautilus Superyachts. With a depth rating of over 200 meters, Nautilus is a 37.5 meters underwater superyacht by Dutch submersible specialist U-Boat Works. The diesel-electric model has a surface cruise speed of 9 knots and an underwater speed of 4 knots, and it will able to stay underwater for up to 4 days at a time. At cruise speed, the underwater endurance is 6 hours. The interior includes a 50 square meter dinner and lounge area with 4 4-meter circular windows, and elsewhere houses a pressure-resistant electrical tender called Aeronax, which may also be used for transporting 5 scuba divers underwater to the intended dive spot. M51 and Anthony Glasson's 95 meters concept aims to combine the eco-minded features of a sailboat with the comfort, propulsion and range of a motor yacht of its size. The Motor Sailor is designed with 2 inflatable, computer-controlled wing sails, a newly developing technology that reduces the need for complex deck equipment such as winches and halyards. Another unique technological feature is the bridge deck's forward wall, comprised entirely of LED screens. This wall would display the front view from the bow, allowing for complete immersion with the yacht surrounds, but can also convert to a wall-to-floor cinema when the owner so wishes. 4. Decadence Superyachts. The Decadence catamaran is the brainchild of designer Andy Waugh, who drew inspiration from the design and technological advances of 1920s car and aircraft designs. The result is a catamaran 80 meters long and 30 meters wide, with the look of a vintage car. The concept is based on a special hull design called swath. Cylindrical, submerged floats are attached to the above-water part of the boat by 4 lateral structures reminiscent of car wheels. Andy Waugh's design reduces rolling and pitching movements, for greater stability and cruising comfort. 3. Plectrum Superyachts. Plectrum is a flying yacht concept that takes inspiration from the more contemporary America's Cup sailboats, specifically the Luna Rossa design, and would be the largest example of foiling technology installed on a yacht. Designed by Lazzarini Design Studio, the yacht would have an eye-watering top speed of 75 knots thanks to 3 hydrogen-powered motors, capable of 5,000 horsepower each. Plectrum is also envisioned with an adjustable beam of up to 20 meters that can be reduced to 15 meters when the yacht is berthed or at anchor. 2. Wakenyan Superyachts. Named after the Lakota word for thunder, the 130 meters trimaran has a minimalist, bird-like silhouette courtesy of Turkish yacht designer Aras Kazar. Full-height tempered glass wraps each deck and allows natural light to fill the interior from all angles, with sculptural wave-like designs shielding the open main deck aft from the elements. Wakaya has also been loaded with electric and hydrofoil technology, giving it an impressive top speed of 32 knots. Wakenyan is designed to make you feel calm and relaxing whether you are enjoying it from inside or just looking at it from outside. 1. UAE-1 Superyachts. Milan-based designer Enzo Manca is the mind behind this curved, military-style concept, designed with the idea it should become the official flagship mega yacht of the UAE. UAE-1 was conceived with input from a sheikh, with a focus on privacy and additional space for international meetings, as well as multiple transfer options, including a mini internal port for tenders and a submarine. The 140 meters vessel also houses a spa, wellness center, and 18-meter swimming pool that sits transversely on the sundeck. The UAE-1 has 14 mini apartments, 5 super suites, and 8 master cabins to accommodate guests. 2 meeting rooms, as well as a room dedicated to press conferences, are also installed on board. To take care of this prestigious world, 65 crew members can be accommodated on board in 35 dedicated cabins. The world of superyacht concepts is a testament to human imagination and innovation. From recreating entire cities on the deck to submerging into the depths of the ocean, these top 11 craziest superyacht concepts prove that the sky, or should we say the sea, is the limit when it comes to luxury and design. As technology and creativity continue to evolve, we can only imagine what fantastical superyachts the future will hold, promising even more extraordinary experiences on the high seas. For now, we can only dream and be inspired by these remarkable designs that push the boundaries of luxury and adventure.